Hello viewers, hope you all are doing well. So our today topic is what are the benefits of YouTube Live. So let's get started. Live streaming presents serious opportunities for creators and your brand. YouTube marketing strategies. In 2021, YouTube was the most popular platform for live streaming e-commerce in the US, and it's the second most popular website with more than 2.5 billion monthly active users. Still not conceived that YouTube Live can expand your reach and brand awareness. Consider these unique ways using YouTube Live help you engage with your audience. Hosting virtual events. Interacting with your audience in real time. Answering questions instantly, standing out for the competition. Hope that you all will clearly understand about benefits of YouTube. So like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.